Okay, so today let's practice English speaking in real life. I'm an English learner and I'm going to practice speaking just walking around my city and describing everything I see and everything I do. It's gonna be great evening because it's summer, it's warm. I decided to take a walk. So if you also want to practice English, like listening skills and maybe learn your vocabulary, or maybe just hang out with me, have a good time, explore this city because this city is amazing. Yeah, let's do that together. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Alright, so as you can see, it's already getting a little bit darker on the streets. You see the sun is going down right there, and I particularly chose this time because the place where I'm going today, it's better to see when it's night, when it's dark. Because today we're going to, you see those skyscrapers? It's Moscow downtown. And yeah, we have already been there recently, remember? But today we're going to go there from the other side. The side that I really, really love a lot. Because that view is going to be just magnificent, bro. You're gonna be surprised, I'm telling you guys. And yeah, here we are again. This place, this mall, has become one of my favorite places in Moscow recently. Yeah, because I don't know, I love that, and today I decided to come here again and walk around. Right now we're going to go around this mall. I'm not going to go inside. That's the downtown. Now I'll be just waiting the lights, and I'm gonna go to that area, walk a little bit around the shopping mall. Just huge shopping mall, man, it's huge. And then we're gonna go there. It's literally 25 minutes walk towards the place I'm gonna go, right there. Now we're just crossing the street. You see how many people are here. And it's summer. In summer, all people are, so fresh and beautiful, happy, very, very happy. It's a green light, 11, 10, 9 seconds, 8, 7, I bet. So yeah, this place has become my favorite in Moscow. I wanna hang out here literally every single day because we got huge railway station. It looks beautiful. We got a tall tower and a clock to check on time. We got big fountain and a cafe, like a restaurant, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, fountain looks good. I went here last time with my friends. We ordered some food inside the mall, and then we went out. I took a seat here and just chilling, eating, because when it's warm you can just sit outside and eat wherever you want. Here is one of the entrances. We got flower. Can we spin it? Yeah, I can spin it. And maybe y'all also remember those flags. We got kids around, we got tourists. Tourists are here mostly because the railway station and the bus station, big bus station, is also here. Actually, I have never been inside the railway station itself. I've never took a train from this place. I don't know even where the trains can go from this place. But somewhere, apparently. Okay, I don't see nothing actually interesting here, just a crowd of people. Listen to this music. It sounds like something Latino, right? We are in Latin America. Yeah, it feels like my home. Even though I don't speak Spanish, but I'm Latino. The entrance into the subway. What are all these people been waiting for? Maybe just train and sitting. All right, I'm gonna go around the corner, turn right here. Oh, crossing this. Oh no! I missed the chance. Wow, so beautiful. Airplane. Somebody's leaving our city. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, it's so tall. And also right there we got tall buildings. By the way, guys, do you like eating in McDonald's or in Burger King? In general, this kind of junk food. Me personally, I love that. I love burgers and fries, and cocktails and stuff, but I don't do it really often. I don't eat it really often because it's not actually healthy, but I eat it and I love it. Here we are. Ooh, so many people. It's gonna take me an hour. It's gonna take me an hour to just get my order. Damn. All right, let's just. What's going on there? Like. Okay, I will just make an order like this. Let's go. Yeah, guys, bad news. The system is broken and like the TV doesn't show the number of an or for like the order you made. But we got cakes and coffee. I just ordered one lemonade, so it's not gonna take a long time actually to cook a lemonade. Just pour it into the cup. So many fries. Oh my gosh. And they frying it in oil. So bad. Here's the menu. Guys, I got it. I bought it. I was waiting for 20 minutes just in the line because the line was big. It's the best lemonade in my life. You have to get ready. Like now you have to get ready, bro. Because y'all maybe don't understand the thing you're about to see right now. Okay guys, here we are. That's the observation deck I was talking about. And here's the view. Okay, it's not that crazy actually. In real life, it looks way bigger. These skyscrapers, like, and you are literally on the other side of that river. You're going to see this right now. Here is the river. It's a river walk down there. And this view, you can take a cruise. By the way, that's a really modern cruise. Just enjoying the river. And here's the bridge. Can you actually use that? No, I think it's broken. And the sun is going down right there. But I'm going just to hang out in this area. I'm going to go down there and walk a little bit down there. Right? How can I go down? Oh, I don't actually need to go down because there is also a great park right here. Wait. Oh, yeah. I'm literally in the forest. And then boom, skyscrapers. And here is the way down. Oh, I can take a seat on that bench. I wanna try that. It's a hill, very steep. You don't want to fall from this. You don't want to fall down. Oh wow. But you know, it's kind of windy right now. It's a little bit nippy, a little bit cold. You know. But anyways, the weather is great. It looks good. That's my POV right now. My point of view. Like actually, when I first time saw this place, when I was my first year in Moscow, when I only entered the college, I was astonished, man. I was in shock. And here, while I'm waiting for the complete darkness outside, let's just talk a little bit about life. By the way, I see some activities right there, so I will go take a look. Yeah, let's talk about life, you know. I got nothing new like in my life. It's just a summer break. But the thing that happened on internet recently, especially like on American internet, because I'm a big fan of American YouTube, I watch it to practice my English, is like that. Maybe do you know streamers like Casinat, I Show Speed, these kind of people? I like watching them, and right now they have kind of marathon of playing Minecraft 24/7, which is crazy. And yes, sometimes I watch that being in my dormitory room. In terms of playing video games, like I have played Minecraft maybe when I was at school, when I was in 5th grade maybe, and I was bad at it. I just didn't like it. I played with friends a couple of times. And I didn't play video games that much, except one video game, FIFA. The only game I played for the whole my life. Yeah, obviously I play such kind of games as Assassin and like GTA 5. I played. Oh, sport ground. Oh, let's do sports a little bit. I saw with the news recently that it's going to be new FIFA 27 the next like December, right, to November, I don't know. And I've been looking forward to seeing this. And I also saw they're gonna have like new features in FIFA, kind of open world, like in GTA, when you can just walk around as a player and participate in different tournaments, just walking around with the map. You know, it's gonna be very interesting because FIFA never had this kind of feature before. Yeah, let's go pull-up bars. I wanna do little pull-ups to straighten my back. I like pulling ups. I can do like 20 pull-ups because I practice it every day outside of my dormitory, like in dormitory backyard. We got pull-up bars, right? Can you see me? I hope you do. Let's do sport. 3, 4, 5. Ooh, 20. Guys, I found it. There's the swing. It's like a web where I wanna spend my entire life just lying down like this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, here is the view. Okay guys, that's what I'm talking about, with this kind of park, this kind of place you can chill. Okay, we got this kind of view in the night. I hope you enjoy this view and practice in English together today. Don't forget that I have a group chat for English learners on Telegram. So if you want to find like a speaking partner or make more friends, you can join that free group chat on Telegram. Yeah guys, love you all. Love you. Thank you so much. I'm going to go home. I'm going to get some dinner done. And yeah, thank you. See you. Bye bye.